welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to install Google Meet in laptop. But besides the laptop, you can also install it on your computer, desktop computer or other devices. So basically, Google Meet is Google's attempt to take on Zoom and Microsoft Teams. It is widely used in education and in some companies because they offer great free video conferencing services. So, being a Google product, there is no desktop application for this service, unlike Microsoft Teams and Zoom, for example. But still, you can download Google Meet to your Windows PC, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So basically, first you need to go to website meetgoogle.com. Just open a new tab, and when you do that, it will open the page of Google Meet. And then basically this is online application, but still you can make a desktop icon, so you don't need to open every time this page. So basically you need to click on this icon, three dots icon, and then click more tools, and then create shortcut. And here you can write any name you want. I will save as Google Meet and click create. After that, on your desktop, as you can see, there will be icon for Google Meet, and when you double click on Google Meet, it will automatically open the Google Meet website, and then you can start your meeting with other people. So as you can see, although the Google Meet is an online application, you can still make a desktop icon, and then you can use it as any other application which is installed on your laptop or desktop PC. So that's it. It is very simple to make a shortcut for Google Meet application. So basically, I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thank you. Bye.